Well, guys, today I'm going to show how to contact customer support. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So head over to this link, hey.venmo.com/contact us, and you will be directed to this page. So get back to the bottom of the page, you'll find this connect with support section. And you can message then from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And the customer support is available 24/7. You can access general support section where you can you can discuss account access, payment settings, and more. Or you can choose card support to contact live support for your card support. So you have the Venmo debit card is every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Venmo credit card is 24/7. Live support available. So this is pretty much it, guys. You can also select one of these featured articles that can solve a problem. You can open a dispute, cancel the payment. Every article is specified in a section or a problem. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.